Okay then, go.
Hello Plonkers, Daft Scotch Lass here, and today I'm here to talk to you about the A to Z challenge. Today is my day off. Woo! It's been a really busy week with all these blog posts. We are currently on the number. So, Kaylin came in halfway through my blog, and I don't know what she's done here, but she stood on something and she's bleeding. So for those squeamish bloggers, don't check it out now, but Mummy's got to put a plaster on this horrid toe. Spread your toes. Spread your toes.
I'm spreading it.
Okay, let's see, does this one go all the way around your foot? And around that toe. Look, fixed up, good as new. Check there.
There's another one.
What? That's just blood. There, you're fixed up as good as new. Give me a kiss. See you later. Right, so as I was saying, before I was rudely interrupted by a child needing a plaster on her toe, yesterday was day 7, and the letter was the letter G, and of course I did Ginger Ninja. I mean, yeah, of course. I've seen a huge amount of increase in traffic to my blog, and quite a new number of you plonkers following, so that's good news. And the fact that I've been stumbling over some really brilliant blogs to follow myself. Probably following about another 12 bloggers. There's some really awesome themes out there. It's been such an awesome challenge to be a part of. We resume the blog challenge on Easter Monday, and the letter will be H. So come back and check it out, hookers! Another thing is that, I don't know if you guys have noticed, maybe in my last vlog you noticed that I haven't chewed my nails in probably over a month. Which means that I've been able to paint my nails all different funky colours and make fashion statements with my nails. So that's new for me, and it's pretty brilliant that I haven't chewed, and it looks so much better when I don't chew my nails. I knew that, but you know what, when you got a bad habit, I guess this year and last year would break the bad habits years, I suppose, you know, with stopping smoking and losing some weight, and now stopping chewing my nails. What'll be next? Who knows? And I must just share one more thing with you before I go, which is absolutely awesome! I got a brand new pair of shoes today. I was telling my husband what I want for my birthday, and I recently came across this awesome pair of shoes at a local shoe store. He asked me to show them to him, and of course he bought them for me. So I've got one of my early birthday presents. I've got them on as we speak, and they are just fabulous. That's all for now, folks. Check you later. Bye. Doot, 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 doot. Oh, my eyes went all funny there.